Hey team, welcome back. This video is going to cover how to find great stocks to use for your options selling. So one thing I like to do is look for dividend kings and dividend aristocrats and dividend champions. Dividend kings are old companies that have been around for a long time, and they're a list of, I think, 50 stocks that have given out dividends for the past 50 years straight, and that dividend has grown in time. There's a great website here called suredividend.com that has a list of all the dividend kings. Let's go look at that real quick. So a dividend king is a stock with 50 or more consecutive years of dividend increases. So these are really big, stable companies that have been around a long time, and you can't go wrong with trading options on these. They're not likely to go out of business anytime soon. But these stocks are so slow and big and steady that they tend to have a low volatility, and so there's not a lot of premium to collect on these. So I tend to go after dividend aristocrats, and dividend aristocrats are stocks that have it's a list of 68 stocks in the S&P 500 with 25 years of consecutive dividend increases, and these are the best of the dividend growth stocks. There's also dividend champions, so if you want to find a more expansive list, these are also stocks similar to dividend aristocrats that have got 25 years of consistent dividend increases, but it's just a more expansive list than the group of 68, so you would have more to choose from here. So you can look these up. This is a great website to go download a list. You can also just Google like dividend aristocrats list. See here on like the NASDAQ, dividend aristocrats. You could pull up a list here and then go do further research on these to see if they're a stock that you want to trade options in. You know, if the price matches the level that you're at, you might not want to trade, really expensive ones. So yeah, you can go do further research on the yield and all that stuff and do your technical analysis. Another place to look, if you want to be a little more risky than the dividend aristocrats and dividend champions, is to look on this website called optionssellerroi.com. And you could pull the list of the best overall ROI for selling options on this, and it'll pull up a list for you, and it goes over like the ROI, 13% here, 10%, and just go. You can sort by different ROI here or ROI per day. But if you look at these like DWAC, if I look at this on my Robinhood, these typically have high premium. So you don't want to chase premium too much. You want to find quality stocks, but if you're looking for a little bit more premium, so if you wanted to sell a cash secured put against this 12 days away, you're looking at pretty good premium here. So if you go down to like a delta that's between 20 and 30, you can make $195 for this. So it's a kind of a good way to find stocks, but they're a little bit more risky. If you want to chase premiums, I use this a lot when I got started because it allows me to find stocks that are not so expensive but have a good amount of premium, and just don't want to risk too much. I trade a lot in AI, and I found that stock here and done some research on AI. There's just a lot of good ones in here, but again, they're a little more risky than the dividend kings and aristocrats. So that's it for how to find quality stocks and start doing your research. You definitely want to do more technical analysis, and I'll have some more videos on that coming up. But that's it for how to find quality stocks, just some ideas. I'm sure there's many more different ways people find, but that's kind of how I do it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.